Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create and use a task board in teamwork.com, your ultimate tool for project management. Let's get started. First off, you need to log into your teamwork.com account. If you're not yet registered, simply sign up using your email address. This is the gateway to your project management journey, giving you the power to create, assign, and track tasks. Now that we've done that, we'll move to our dashboard. Click on the Add Project button located at the top right corner of the screen. The reason we do this is to get a dedicated space to manage all tasks related to a specific project. Next up, once the project is created, click on the Task Board tab on the left sidebar. This is the place where the magic happens, the task board. It's the visual representation of all your tasks, making it easier to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and streamline work. Here's where we create our task. Click on the Add Column button to create a new column. You could name it, for example, To Do, In Progress, or Done. The reason we do this is to segregate tasks based on their status. It helps us in maintaining a clear vision of the project's progress. Once you've created columns, it's time to add tasks. Click on the Add Task button, typically found at the bottom of each column. Fill in the task details like title, assignee, due date, etc., then hit Save. This helps us because it allows us to delegate tasks, set deadlines, and keep everyone in the team on the same page. Let me explain why this matters. It's not just about creating tasks, it's about managing the workflow efficiently. With every task you add, you're building a roadmap towards project completion. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each member assigned a task gets a notification. They can then start working on it, move it across the columns as they progress, and finally mark it as done. This way, everyone knows what's been accomplished and what's next. Now you're all set to use your task board. Remember, it's a dynamic tool. You can always add more tasks, edit existing ones, or even delete tasks if necessary. It's your control center for project management. And there you have it, a streamlined process to create and use a task board in teamwork.com. Remember, the key is to keep tasks organized, track progress regularly, and ensure efficient collaboration. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.